future millionaires, we back with another banger, man. We got another, free 99 alert that y'all need to check out. Do your own due diligence. Never risk more than you're willing to lose. But this is something that, just came across my desk, and I had to come check it out and do a little TA on it. And my technical analysis is telling me that this is a good time to buy. So right now, if you notice, we're right here on a dip. This would be a good time to add to a position. Now, I'm not saying, come FOMO into this project. You want to come do your, own due diligence. Come ask the team some questions. Come into the Telegram. Do not just, wild out. Ask the team some questions. If you are feeling the project, then definitely come get involved. But we're trading right above the demand zone. So notice we had an impulse correction right here. Smart money stepped in. Notice how the price is holding right above this demand zone. Notice how when these candles came down here, it held right where our demand zone is, this candle here, from the top to the bottom of this candle. Notice how when it came right here, we went up. It was bought up. As soon as we fell right here, it bought up. Price rejected. As soon as it sold off, it came right back to the smart money zone, bought right back up, rejected, pushed back down. Where did it fall back to? It fell right back to the smart money zone. Pushed back up, rejected, sell off. Where did it fall to? The smart money zone. We're right here. Now we're making higher lows right now. So it might not, push all the way back down to right here. We might be, in that that frame of about to, move back up. So, this will be a good, time to check out this position, or you can let it, come to you and wait to enter on a position here at the demand zone. And then, that most likely the price will continue to rise from here. But this is looking pretty, nice right now. So let's check this project out. I like to just come look at the chart right away. When people tell me to come look at a project, I like to come look at the chart. I want to see, is it potentially a good buying opportunity? And with this one, it was. So now let's check this project out. This is my first time, hearing about the project. I went straight to the chart ASAP. I like to see a healthy chart. If the chart is looking healthy, then, it's not a honey pot, it's not a rug pull, then, I'm more interested in looking into it. So right here, we got Piccolo Inu. So come to Piccolo Inu.com. So Piccolo Inu is a decentralized and transparent multi-purpose token created for mass adoption. Liquidity locked, 100% transparency, set slippage to 8 to 10%. So you can buy this one on Uniswap. This is an ERC20 token. Y'all know, if y'all familiar with all the Luffy Inus, Goku Inu, Gogeta Inu, all the other Inus that we've been covering, Charizard Inu, going crazy. The Inu ERC20 side right now is going bonkers. I think we really are on to something with these new anime tokens. So and if y'all been following along my last about 40 to 45 videos, I told y'all that this wave seemed like it was here to stay and that they were all on to something. So shout out to Etherscan. They're connected. You can go put the contract address in, view it there. Shout out to CoinGecko, they're listed there. Shout out to CoinMarketCap, they're listed there. They also got their Certix audit done. That's a good thing to see. You want to make sure that a project is legit, that they've been validated, or vetted through someone that we can trust, like a Certix. So also ZX Protocol, Hotbit, and L Bank as well is where they are listed. So about Piccolo Inu. Piccolo Inu is a community-driven token on the Ethereum mainnet. We created PNU to provide our holders with leading tokenomics within the DeFi space. Our frictionless generation protocol makes you earn passive income without having to do anything at all. 2% of every transaction automatically goes to holders. 7% goes to marketing and random buybacks. So I like that they have the marketing budget in there. Also, I like the buybacks. I would like more information on the random part of it. But static rewards are a new and innovative solution to many issues. Firstly, rewards are directly correlated to the amount of trading volume at any given time. This type of system allows for a better, fairer, and more all-around balanced experience for holders. Oftentimes, farms have unsustainability APYs that end up only rewarding the earliest buyers. Those who buy later often have to deal with an impossible amount of sell pressure. Static rewards prevent this from happening. So view chart, white paper, Etherscan, view LP. So let's open up the white paper, take a glance at that. But tokenomics, Piccolo Inu token, PNU, is a deflationary Ethereum mainnet token. The PNU token will be launched on October 2021. Stealth launch with a supply of 100 trillion tokens. With an ever decreasing supply, the PNU release will be as follows. So contract deployed on the Ethereum mainnet, anti-sniper, anti-whale, maximum wallet functions will be added to the smart contract to ensure a fair and safe environment for the entire community. Liquidity will be locked. Contract will be verified on Etherscan. So launched the 22nd of October 2021. That's my little brother's birthday, so that's a good sign to me. So network ERC20. Initial supply 100 trillion, marketing fee plus buyback 7%, redistribution of holders 2%, so the total fee is 9%. So our vision, Piccolo Inu aspires to be the most popular token in the Ethereum mainnet for trading and exchanging gaming NFTs. That's a good sign. I like that they already have their vision, their lane carved out. So the vast nature of this marketplace will be ensured by the popularity of blockchain gaming. Furthermore, an easy to use interface will be available for organizing auctions, including ones for charitable purposes. I like that as well. That's something new. So NFT trading card games. So blockchain gaming has a lot of benefits. Thus, more and more blockchain games are appearing on the market. With the growing popularity of those games and vast number of DB fans, Dragon Ball Z fans, the Piccolo Inu's NFT trading game will grab the attention of many. The forms of the content that can be tokenized and transferred into an NFT are now limited to bare minimum. We at Piccolo Inu are focused on gaming market, and we want to give an easy to use and smooth NFT experience to content developers and players. Because the technology is still in its infancy, now is a great time to get into the industry and demand for digital art continues to climb. So NFT beta project, the beta Piccolo Inu's NFTs has already been designed and will be available for auction after the token's launch. These NFTs have exclusively been created by a professional NFT trading card designer. These NFTs will serve a purpose in the near future as a trading card game will start developing as the token grows. It will consist on a trading card battle game where the gamers will hold a unique deck consisting of various NFT cards with which the players will be able to fight and gain prizes. The game will consist of various levels and worlds following the Dragon Ball timeline. Okay, so Ethereum blockchain game store. We know that the ability to easily exchange in-game assets without the participation of intermediaries is among the core benefits of gaming on blockchain. However, we also know that there are exclusive items that are meant to be distributed via selected partners, and Piccolo Inu aims to become such a partner for a wide range of blockchain game developers. So here's the Piccolo Inu NFT marketplace. So I like this a lot. These cards look really cool. I like that they got them already, designed. So I'm wondering, how, far do they see this project going in the future? Because I'm pretty sure the actual DB team will have some problems, as far as copyright issues. So I wonder how do they plan to address that? So that would be a good thing to ask the team about as well. So roadmap. So phase 1. So Telegram community is created. And y'all know the roadmap is my favorite part, so we should really see something in here. So website launch, beta NFT design, primary social media created, contract creation and verification, stealth launch, liquidity lock, spread the word on more social media platforms, Telegram promo on top channels, Twitter promo by top influencers, reach 100 holders milestone, top coin listings, CoinVote, CoinSniper, CoinHut, NFTs available for auction on OpenSea, apply on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Phase 2, strong marketing campaigns by recognized influencers from the gamer and crypto industry, various YouTube video promos, release adapt and complex functions for the official website, contract audit, collaboration with companies in the gaming industry, so that can be very big. Battle crypto game will start developing, so they plan to create their own game. That's going to be interesting. So live AMA Twitch, community building, continue to grow our engineering team, merch marketplace launch, gaming content on blockchain and crypto for general public. Okay, phase 4, continuous marketing and influencer collabs, virtual events and trading NFT card battles, NFT staking and mining, listing on top exchanges. I also heard that they'll be coming up with their own exchange as well. So that's something to look forward to. But further ecosystem development. So okay, so So one thing I like to see with the roadmaps is if for it to be 3 things: specific, measurable, and realistic. So one thing we don't see is a timeline. Like, it says, Q4, 2021. We can know, like, when will all this be, completed. I do like the fact that they got the check marks on there to let us know, what has been done so far. So that's a good sign. But I would like to see a date on here as well, so we can, know, when we can we hold the team accountable to have what actions complete by, or what goals or milestones complete by. Also, I don't see a team section. So let's real quick, how to buy Piccolo Inu. Create a MetaMask or Trust wallet. You can connect wallet to Uniswap. You send ETH to your wallet and you swap ETH for Pinu. So Pinu. And a lot of y'all already know how to get these already. But yeah, I wanted to see a team section as well. So I like that they got it looks like they're retweeting tweets automatically to their page. But I would have liked to see a team section. So they have a blog. Let's see what's up with the blog real quick. So this is smart. I like that they have a blog on their own website. And, if y'all share this video with the team, get this in front of them. If anybody from the team, y'all tap in with me, man. I have a Fortune 500 marketing agency. If y'all serious about taking this project to the top, tap in with me. So we'll really see. So let's see. Let's take a look at their Twitter page. So 2,404 followers, followed by Zach. Okay, so Piccolo is a decentralized and transparent multi-purpose token created for mass adoption. Okay, so 12 hours ago, bring a holder giveaway, 48 hours starting now. Tell everyone to join the Pinu fam. One lucky winner will be chosen. You have to send proof. Read the rules below. Okay, pretty cool. Check that out. Y'all come over here and follow them at Piccolo Inu. So at PICCOLO INU, Piccolo Inu. So let's see, they retweeted, work hard, play hard, Piccolo Inu is the life. So we're at a dip right now, y'all. If y'all are interested in this and y'all want to catch this dip, then definitely come check it out. So Piccolo Inu, the next big anime coin, great potential, 100x based devs, 1 week old, 24. Let's check that out again. Let's check out the chart real quick. So they got their Reddit, no content on the Reddit yet. So if y'all are a part of the community over there, y'all got to turn this Reddit up. Y'all should have, content and people following all the platforms. So Instagram, that's good to see that they have that. I like to see they got this NFT character, and it actually looks pretty cool too. It's like a green Shib with the Piccolo uniform. I like that a lot. That's dope. So actually, I could see, maybe if they create all their own characters. So the actual Piccolo Inu is not the actual Piccolo. It's actually a Doge with the just the green skin. So I didn't even all the way catch that. So they might not have, any issues, as far as copyright because of that. It's their actual own character. That was pretty slick. I like how they did that. So y'all come follow them on Instagram as well. They got 352 followers. So definitely got to turn that up. But, just might be potentially early. Also, the Telegram is Piccolo Inu as well. I'll put that in the description section of this video. Let's take a look at the white paper real quick. So most of this we've seen already. So I see that, okay, the Piccolo Inu is a, different character, but what about the other characters as far as copyright? How would that work? So interested to know what the team has in, store for that. But it's looking good though. It's nice, clean, easy to read, simplistic, not overdoing it. But yeah, y'all see already that spot I told y'all, where to buy in is already moving up. We're already at that 7.6 range. I believe we were just at that, about that the 7.4 range. So I'll wrap this up so y'all can come check this project out yourself. Appreciate y'all for pulling up on me. Shout out to everybody. Again, if y'all are interested in getting my technical analysis course, I'm only allowing 50 people to get the price right now at the floor price before the price more than doubles. So tap in with me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Good future millionaires, we back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to everybody for pulling up on me, man. I appreciate y'all for coming to learn something new each and every day, man. Hey, shout out to the entire private stock market gang. We have our own private investment community over here where we're just sharing, information. I gave my free 99 plays, basically other alerts on other tokens or crypto projects that we're involved in as well, just for y'all to check out. You know, you always got to do your own diligence. Remember, none of this is financial advice. Never risk more than you're willing to lose. And remember, this is crypto. We could be seeing, you know, swings from 60 to 80%. So you could see, you know, it go up 60 to 80%. You can see it drop 60 to 80%. So remember, always use, you know, proper risk management, dollar cost average. You know, don't just FOMO all the way in, buy at the top. You know, that's why I'm trying to bring y'all this technical analysis, so y'all can understand how to, you know, properly, you know, interpret the data from the chart and just make more informed decisions. So follow us here, Private Stock Market Game, over 5,000 active investors. Also tap in with me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco, the same way the channel is spelled. Follow me on Instagram as well at DecemberDeMarco. Shout out to my jeweler, Flawless, the Diamond Company. Hey, Muhammad, appreciate you, man. If y'all are interested in purchasing something, you know, some type of jewelry in Shiba Inu, I can make that happen for you. Just email me, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Now, I'm not saying you have to, but just for y'all that are, you know, at that point and would like to. So, now, for, you know, the reason everybody pulled up, you know, we are hovering around right now. Let's get straight to it. We're at that 7440 range. So right around that 74 range. So right now we're trading sideways. We can see I still have my same chart. You know, I like to leave my chart. Sometimes I forget and I hit refresh and the chart will erase. But for the most part, I leave my charts, you know, the same way for y'all. If y'all been watching my video, this is the same way, you know, I had it. Remember, I called this out. I told y'all, I showed y'all this was a demand zone here. We had, you know, smart money step in right here at this point. That's why I showed y'all this box right here. This rectangle is a sign where smart money would buy in at. That's why I told y'all smart money will buy at the bottom of the dip. They'll create the smart money candle. We'll see the price go up, go up. We'll see a resistance. Once we see it come back down into that smart money zone, some people will enter early right there and understand that this is a demand zone from this previous area. And they'll, you know, if they believe we're still going long, looking at the volume, you see we got still a lot of volume in here. They can make that decision that we might go up still. And now what they wait for, you know, they can enter early here on this second double bottom. But what others do is they wait for that confirmation of the third one, and they'll enter on the third one, because now we can see that the price is holding a strong support at this range, meaning the price does not want to push down below this point. Every time it pushes at this point, buyers step right up and buy it up. So this is a good sign. So right here was people who were, you know, basically snipers. They, you know, jumped in right here, and they were able to, you know, enjoy this ride all the way, you know, up to where we are right now. So they were able to come in from that 6'3", 6'2", or yeah, about that 6'1", 6'2" range. Why? Because they seen it happen over and over again. Look what happened every time we hit that range. It got bought right back up until it started to sell off, sell off, sell off, sell off. But once we dip down in that range, we see the price begin to move up again. This one, they tried to do a fake, basically a fake out to, you know, trick investors to think that, okay, the price went up right here, it was resisted here, it didn't go past that point. They tried to push it back down to make investors believe that it was going to continue on this downtrend. But what happened? It hit that point right there. Smart money came and activated it. Boom, bought it up, had some resistance here at a familiar point in the chart that we could, at a previous point in the chart, and we, you know, traded back down until we hit this VWAP line, and you can see, or the middle Bollinger Band. And once we hit that middle Bollinger Band, that's where we started to see support at. Now we see a new support around that range to change the, you know, level that we're in. So that pushed us to this next, we went from the 6 range to the 7 range, because we found support right here at that 6.6. So that's what you want to look for. Look for, you know, like we got the Bollinger Band here, the mid Bollinger Band. That's a key psychological support level or resistance level. But as we were trading above it, you can see when we broke above it here, you know, it pushed down, pushed down, pushed down. But notice how once we started to move in this downtrend right here, we started to form these doji candles. Now, remember when I told y'all at the end of a downtrend, doji candles begin to signify that a trend reversal is likely to happen. It doesn't mean it's going to happen, but it means it's likely to happen. Remember, technical analysis is not a crystal ball. None of this information can be 100% correct. I tell you all the time, if it was, then somebody would be a trillionaire already, because they would just continue to rinse, wash, and repeat it. So, you know, you just have to try to, you know, interpret the best picture, you know, from what the candles are showing you, so that way you can know what to do next, or, you know, what to wait for. So here we're, you know, obviously if y'all been paying attention, what do y'all see forming on the chart? Drop in the comment section. You know, I like the the way, you know, we have the engagement on this channel where I can go back and forth with y'all and engage in the comment sections to see if y'all are, you know, actually following along and getting these answers, you know, or the getting the answers to these questions right. So you know, welcome to StockGoat University. I told y'all this is more than just a YouTube video. This is actually a class. Each one of these videos you'll be learning something, and the best of the best here that, you know, really going above and beyond. I'll be, you know, having something for y'all in the future where I'll actually be able to, you know, test y'all knowledge and, you know, provide y'all with a StockGoat certificate. So, you know, continue to stay down for the come up, because man, this is about to get crazy. So let's see what we got next. What is it looking like? So we got a breakout. Let's grab this trend line right here. Let's put it at our resistance. You see right here we're seeing a trend, and also we can grab one for the bottom just to see that we're squeezing in this range right here. So, you know, once we finish this channel right here, or this divergence in this range, then we should see a breakout. Now remember, I already called where I, you know, believe my breakout is to. Most people want a new price target each video, but it doesn't really work like that. You know, once the price target is kind of set, that's the price target. We have to hit this price target. Remember, I already called what is this right here? That basically that 9 range, or on our short target, just that maybe that is showing me about 8.8, but give or take a little bit, because, you know, I didn't do the line exactly perfect, and I can see, if y'all can see, these lines are a little slanted. So let me try to straighten it out a little bit. Okay, I got them straight now. So now we can see exactly. Okay, so 8871 range, and then the long target is that 9339 about, or 9398. So about that 94 range. 94 range. So we short target about 8889 ish, and that 885 range is just right in, you know, right in there. And then if we could, you know, take that out, then we'll be going to, you know, the 94s, and then, you know, we're gone. So let's see, let's go to the 4 hour, see what we see. So, you know, we have, you know, we're at our all-time highs. So yeah, we still got a breakout coming, y'all. I still believe we'll see this level. We might break out to our you know, we might, you know, see a little congestion right here in this 8.8 range, then break through to that 9.3 to make a new all-time high, which I believe we're going to eat a zero. That's a psychological barrier though, so a lot of people might see that as a wall and start to take profits right at that 9.89, you know, range. Once we start to see, you know, people get hype and FOMO start to set in. So once that happens, we might see a pullback and hopefully find some support at the, you know, one of these key, you know, resistance levels here, the 9394 range, the 8889 range. Possibly it might possibly be this 88 range. So hopefully if we break our all-time high, we can pull back and hold the 88 range and then take off from there. So you know, nothing to worry about, y'all. Look at the volume. The volume is, you know, tapering down. So what does that tell us? The price is moving up. So likely with the volume tapering off like that, and the price we got the sideways trading like this can cause the price to, you know, drop. So what we need is, you know, some more volume to come in. We need buyers to, you know, continue to buy more, push the price up, push the sellers back. And once we can break, you know, their resistance line, that resistance line will become a new support line. So nothing too, you know, exciting right now, you know, as far as price action, but, you know, there was a lot of manipulation going on in the market. You know, I think I should actually do a live stream, you know, going into a little more depth about that, you know, checking out y'all's sentiment as well, because as soon as this, you know, we should already be, y'all know I called we were going to eat a zero already. I was the first analyst to call this. Shout out to Forex Street as well, forexstreet.com, you know, for featuring me on there. Y'all know I'm the official Shib Inu, you know, Shib Inu crypto analyst. I'm really doing this live, you know, with y'all, you know, so so that way y'all can see, you know, what thoughts are going through my head, you know, and, you know, how to pivot if we see, you know, something different happen, you know, and just, you know, just to learn as much as possible, because I'm really trying to, you know, show y'all my exact process with certain things. You know, of course, there's some indicators that I only use in the course, you know, level information, but for this level you can use all this to still, you know, make more informed decisions. So it's looking like the volume is tapering off. We could pull out our RSI indicator. So let's see our relative strength index. So RSI, let's see what we're looking at. So right now we are closer to being overbought than oversold. So it's looking like we are trading right in this range right here. So our RSI is moving in this range right here for now. So it might, you know, tap right here and start to push back down. So what are we seeing right here? We're seeing our top Bollinger Band. So what happens once the price hits the top Bollinger Band? Once that happens, there's usually a sell-off that, you know, occurs. So either we need to be seeing a breakout. If we don't, you know, if we get some more volume coming in here, we could see a breakout to the upside. But if we don't, you know, if this, you know, sellers begin to sell off right here, and we become more overbought, then, you know, the price will start to drop, and then we can expect to see buyers step back in once it reaches around this 39 range. Remember, the closer it gets to a 35 is considered the price is oversold, or the asset is oversold, and as it moves up to the 70 range, it's considered overbought. Now so that's what we want to look for as well. That's one of those indicators we can stack on top of that. So yeah, we're just trading sideways right now. We've been trading sideways for the last few hours. We tried to yeah, we really having trouble with that 8 range right now. That 8 range, because of this candle right here. This candle did it to us right here. This was the supply zone. So let me show y'all something so y'all can see how to determine, you know, why are we having trouble, you know, getting through this. So what I'm doing is I'm making a rectangle from the top of this candle, from the uptrend, that first red candle, that major sell-off candle. I'm drawing a rectangle from the open of it to the close of it to kind of determine where that supply zone is. Now notice how every time we move back up into this range, the price automatically wants to stay down underneath this. So we need a lot of buying pressure to break through this range. We need to destroy this, you know, range right here. And once we can break through this, you know, area, once we can like where my price target is, so I got my price target at that 8889 range right about, and then we go to the 9394 range, give or take a little bit. But once we can get to that range, once we break through here, hold this as a support, this will be our new resistance here at the 94 range. And after we go through there, we go. So yes, I still believe this is happening. Look, we're still in a, you know, upwards trend. Things are still looking good. We still got a bullish flag forming here. Also, let's see, we can move around a couple different time frames on the chart as well. We're on a 1 hour right now. Let's see what we see. Okay, so now we're on a 30-minute chart as well. So now each of these candles represent 30 minutes in time. So now it's giving us a lot more price action, you know, to go off of, which are more immature moves. I like to, you know, look from a higher standpoint most times, especially with something like Shib, because I'm not day trading. If I was day trading, then I would be on a 15-minute to maybe a 5-minute chart, sometimes even a 1-minute chart, depending on your position size. So let's go back to our 4 hour. That's, you know, really that gives us a more mature look with the little price action throughout the day to determine, you know, how did the day go. And we can see that we're having trouble around this supply zone. Once we get into this supply zone, notice how these two doji candles are forming. Once we get up here and we're on an uptrend, so at the top of an uptrend, doji candles signify that a trend is likely to reverse. So that means we could either be pushing to, that means we could be possibly pushing to the downside. We also have our lower Bollinger Band all the way down here. That means the price is potentially, you know, the Bollinger Bands mean that the price will most likely stay within these bands. So that means it could potentially push all the way down here. Now what could happen is, let's see where so now let's see something else that we can recognize. So now notice we have some demand in this zone here. from this candle. So this candle, you notice from the top of it, I did a little off. Let me do a little better. So this candle here, from the top of this candle to the bottom of it, notice how we're trading in between this range. So we got our supply zone here where the price wants to sell off. Then we have our demand zone here where buyers are ready to step in and buy. So we got a very, very thin range right here. So right now we would definitely want to have a breakout. We're getting doji candles forming back to back at the top of this uptrend, but the volume is decreasing. We don't see the volume picking up right now. We need to see more volume come in if we want to break through this. Just being realistic, you know, I can't force the price to do anything, but I know that I want to see some more volume come in so that way we can, you know, destroy this supply zone right here. We can scoop all the shares up or all the crypto up here, and you know, we'll take them, we'll push them further back, and then we can continue. More FOMO will set in. We'll have new, you know, people, you know, posting their gains, new people excited about Shib, and that will create a ripple effect throughout, you know, the, you know, social media, you know, and just will create more awareness for Shib overall. So I'm holding tight, y'all. If we see any major dips, I dropped 5K over here on this dip, so I hope y'all was able to you know, do that as well. You know, when I seen this double bottom happen, that's when I knew it was time. I pulled the trigger. I dropped 5K on that double bottom. I went a little early. Now you could have you know, waited for, you know, it to touch again, you know, here at that point before it started to move up. But I was pretty sure, you know, with all this, you know, hype that we have, and, you know, all the good news, all the upcoming catalysts, we still got the Robinhood listing coming. We got AMC theaters talking about potentially accepting Shib. Just a lot more use case is happening. So now I want to talk about this manipulation thing. I almost forgot again. So a lot of people are asking what happened to the circulation supply. They were saying they increased it. No, it was not the dev team. The dev team did not do this. This was a mistake on behalf of the exchanges, and they are working to fix it. Now, to me, I think that's a little shiesty, you know, because we could have already been, you know, we could have already ate a zero. We were supposed to already eat a zero, but with you know, the circulation supply going up and basically causing FUD, making people think that, you know, the team was doing something, you know, shiesty, that had a lot of people selling their positions off. You know, it's cool. Yes, some people took profit, which is fine. You know, you definitely want to always take a cherry off the top. But we had people, you know, completely selling off their bags because they felt that, you know, something was wrong, you know, or the team, something is, you know, just wrong happening. And that wasn't the case. So right now we're still waiting for, you know, that supply to get updated. I believe they are working on that, so we should see that shortly. Now that should help the price out some, which we're already seeing the price start to correct. But once we see that, you know, correct all the way, and let's just say it snaps us back to, you know, our, you know, resistance line of our of our target price, let's say that 9.4 range, if it takes us right around there, then most likely we can break through. So I'm just trying to analyze, you know, and just determine, you know, some psychology now as well. So I see what the chart is telling me, but now I'm trying to, you know, determine based on what the chart is telling me, how will retail investors react to this information? You know, let's say if we did see, you know, some sell-off starting to occur. Let's just say if they started to walk this down, you know, slightly towards this demand zone, where people get faked out and think that, you know, it's about to, you know, go down again. Because notice we're right here close to this you know, to the end of this flag. So if it, you know, in the next couple hours, 8 hours, you know, that's about, you know, maybe 12 hours max. Yeah, that's about 8 to 12 hours max before we hit the end of this flag, and we could be potentially seeing a breakout if we see new markets, you know, begin to step in, new investors begin to step in, some new we already got catalysts, but some new hype, something that, you know, triggers this again, which I'm honestly starting to see, you know, a lot more people feel confident holding their investments based on this information that I'm providing. So shout out to y'all that let me know that y'all want to keep seeing the technical analysis, and shout out to y'all that, you know, let me know that y'all appreciate this information, because that definitely helps me go harder for y'all. Now, if you're interested in learning technical analysis for yourself, then I highly encourage you to reach out to me to get my technical analysis course. I also have my stock options trading course. I also have my crypto course. So I have 3 of those courses available that you can reach out to me for. Right now, my technical analysis course is the latest course. I gave 50 people the opportunity to get that 50% off the floor price, and that was taken up immediately. Now I've allowed the next 50 people to get in at the floor price before the price more than doubles. The seats are filling up fast. If you're interested and you're serious about taking your investing to the next level, then I highly encourage you to email me at DecemberDeMarco, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. You can get that in the description section of this video. And you know, I'm very busy, so you know, I'm limited on the amount of, you know, messages I can go back and forth. But if you're serious, if you have over $1,000 invested into the cryptocurrency markets, and you have never learned, you know, how to analyze this data and how to interpret what this means, you know, how to read the charts, what candlesticks mean, then you definitely need to be getting this course. Reach out to me via email. That's in the description section. Also, I encourage everyone to use my Robinhood link, Webull link in the description section as well. I'm trying to move up the list to get access to the crypto wallet. Y'all know that if I get that wallet first and they let us know something early, I can bring that information to y'all before everybody else knows about it. So use that link in the description section, or if you already have it, share it with a family member or a friend, so that way they can use the link, and then, you know, we can potentially move up even faster. So and you'll get a free stock in crypto, and I will as well. Well, not crypto, you'll get a free stock from Robinhood, potentially, I believe, like maybe 3. But I have crypto.com link there where you can get about $25 in free Bitcoin, I believe, and also a lot of other free resources as well. All that stuff in the description section is basically free. You don't have to pay any money to, you know, benefit from that. So that's all we got. Stay down for the come up, y'all. I'll keep y'all updated if anything changes throughout the night. If we get some, you know, a surge in volume or something, you know, one of my other indicators alert that something's about to happen, I'll keep y'all updated. We're down. Well, this isn't accurate anymore. It was down about 8% for the day. That was a nice discount. A lot of people bought that up. Congratulations if y'all continue to, you know, been buying these dips up. But that's all we got for this video, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up. Make sure y'all share this video, share this information with other, you know, people that are in the SHIB army, so that way they can, you know, feel more confident holding their positions. Because a lot of people, these videos are FUD killer. When people can understand the retracement zones, when they can understand, you know, when to buy the dip, or when people are likely to take profit, they can use their Fibonacci tool, you know, and all these other indicators. That provides, you know, more clarity for them, and is, you know, makes them more comfortable to hold, because they know that it's not the end of the world. So again, that's all we got for this, and we are out.